My girl, she got a gun in her hand, and she keeps one in her man. Baby girl, I know what I did. You ain't gotta run your mouth.
Hey my dolls, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be serving you all this monochromatic blue look, and you guys, this look is like pretty fast. The eye is very simple. I just wanted to do something very minimal but yet glam, so I hope you get to enjoy this video. So as usual, I'm just starting out with my brows, and fam, these brows were a struggle. Like, what I mean struggle, if not for editing, but I tell you how many minutes I spent doing this brows there. But you know, we got it done. So I'm just priming my lid with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fun, and that's just going to act as a primer. And then I'm going to just go ahead and set it with the RCMA No Color powder. So right now I'm just taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, my normal face powder in the shade Dark. I'm going to use that as my transition color, and that's, you know, pretty much the only thing I'm using as my transition color. Now with a Morphe M514 brush, I'm going to be blending that powder just all over my crease area, going in circular motions and in windshield wiper motions. So for this look, I'm going to be using an Italian brand called NABLA Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be using their single eyeshadow. And this is a very pretty sky blue color. So what I'm doing right now is I just placed a little bit of that concealer on my lid, just to, you know, get the lid a bit tacky for the eyeshadow to sit on, because it's a matte shade. So I'm just going to be packing that matte light blue eyeshadow on my eyelids. And you guys, this shadow is the bomb. This is like the easiest blue shadow I have worked with. Like, blue is difficult, but this eyeshadow is bomb.com. So after I'm done applying that shade, I'm just going back in with my powder again to blend it out. And the funny thing is, while I was blending out that powder against or on that shadow, it was giving me a very nice greenish, you know, transition color, and I was like, oh yes girl. So I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, do my other eyelid. And you guys, this eye look can take you literally 3 minutes. Very fast, very easy. That's it. So we're done with the eyes pretty fast. Onto the face, I'm going to be priming my face with the BECCA Evermatte Priming Perfector, or what is it called? Okay, I'm going to leave the name, or we all know BECCA, yeah? So for my foundation, I mixed Fenty Beauty in 370 and 390 just to get my perfect shade, because I haven't still gotten that perfect, you know, match on the Fenty Beauty line. So to prime or to contour, no, what am I saying? To highlight, I just went in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and right now I'm contouring with the Fenty Beauty Matte STIX in Truffle. Yeah, and it's all going to be blended out. I'm just setting my face with the RCMA powder again. So to contour, I'm going to be going in with the NYX contour palette. I'm just going to use that to set all the areas where I applied that cream contour. So after that is done, I'm going to use the same brush to wipe off everything. I'm using the same brush just so that with the, you know, brown powder I have on it, it can balance out that whiteness from the powder. And then I'm just highlighting my face, and I'm going in with the KIKO eyeliner. Yeah, this is from KIKO. I'm just going to use that to, you know, add a pop of blue in my waterline. Ooh. Okay, so this didn't really, appear as beautiful as it appeared in real. It's just a silver, eyeliner from L'Oreal. And I'm lining my lips with NYX Brown Cafe. After which I went in with the liquid suede, but I can't remember the name right now. It's going to be in my description box. And I topped it off with the Sephora lip gloss. And you guys, I'm a lip gloss girl, and I was like feeling the gloss against the blue eyeshadow. And yes, that's the first look.
But tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young.
So for the second look, I'm going in with a lipstick from the same company, NABLA. And you guys, this blue is the bomb.com. I want to know which one you prefer. Do you prefer the gloss or do you prefer this loud lips? For me, I prefer the gloss. So guys, don't forget to leave a sweet comment down below. Like this video, subscribe. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. So tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me.